Hello and welcome to this tutorial video which will take you through the Locations tab of the OneGMS project proposal form. This tab is set at allocation level to be filled in either with a breakdown of people targeted per age and gender or a percentage of people targeted per location. This video will show you how to fill in this tab by providing a breakdown of people targeted. This tab allows you to specify the geographical areas in which you will implement your project and allocate budget and targeted persons to each added location. It will be configured according to the data provided in 3 previous tabs. First, the data from the log frame tab, when you will have to add activities to each location. Then the data from the People Targeted tab for the categories and the total amount of women, girls, men and boys for each sector. And finally, the data from the Budget tab, which provides the share of the budget allocated to each sector and its equivalent in USD. Figures added in the Locations tab must be coherent with the information previously entered in these 3 tabs. Please ensure you have filled in and saved these tabs before completing the Locations tab. If either of these tabs appears in red, it means that the information has not been validated by the system. Before you add the People Targeted breakdown, each sector's tables will be empty. They will be filled in automatically by the system as you provide data for each location and sector. You can hover over the info icon to display the total people targeted for the sector. Although locations were added at allocation level, you have the possibility to delete or add a location. If you wish to delete a location, click here. Then click on Delete. If you wish to add a new location, click here. Click on the arrow to display administrative levels. And then tick the box of the location you wish to select. You can now add a budget percentage, activity and people targeted breakdown to each cluster per location. To do so, click here. Input in this field the budget percentage that will be spent in this location for this sector. The total of the sector budget percentage allocated to all locations must be 100%. The numerical value in USD will be automatically displayed by the system. Then select from the drop-down list one or several activities that will be implemented in the location. These activities reflect the ones added to the Log Frame tab. Finally, provide a breakdown of targeted people for each location sector. To do so, you can either fill in the table manually or automatically.